I'm going to show you how to make a French knot. You will bring your needle up in the place where you want the knot. You will wrap the knot 2 or 3 times. I'm going to do 2, and then you will put the needle close to where you came up, like a thread or 2 over. You will hold that thread in place. It's really important to hold it close to the fabric where those wraps are. And then when you pull through, it will make a French knot. So that is wrapping it twice. I'm going to do that again. Pull the needle up. I'm going to wrap 3 times this time so you can see the difference. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to pull that, put my needle down close to where I brought it up, pull the thread so that it is close to the fabric, holding my thread tight, and pull it through. So that is with 2 wraps, that's with 3 wraps. You can see how they look a little bit different, and that is how you make a French knot.